Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and massive day today. I've just had delivery of the Porsche parts. They've come all the way from China, so it's been a 3-month long wait on these. Really excited to unbox them, show you guys what's in here and give you a rundown of what the actual plan is going forward with this car and how we're going to completely transform it. We're going to go way further with this one and turn it into something truly special. So drop us a comment below on what you think of the kit and what you think of my mad plan to transform this 2015 Porsche Cayenne into a 2025 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Okay, so it's a couple of days now and I'm back and I've got a little bit of time to actually unbox these Porsche parts. So I've been really eager to get into these, really see what kind of condition the parts have turned up in. Hopefully everything is as it should be and nothing's been sort of damaged through the courier service and through the shipping procedure. And then also, what kind of quality of products are we getting? Hopefully it's good enough to basically just mount straight onto the Porsche and go from there, but I guess we'll see. A little bit nervous but very excited. So I'm going to crack on. I'm going to put you on one side and start unboxing and see what is in each of the boxes. So just looking in the first box, and we've got some lights. So these will be like side lights, indicator lights that fit on the grille underneath the headlights. Look really good actually, and well packaged. A load of bracketry, so a bit of the boring stuff in here, but good to see that there are brackets, because I'll most likely need that sort of stuff when it comes to fitting up the bumpers. And then, well, let's dig into this and see what else we've got. Unfortunately guys, I've lost the footage of me actually going through this box, but what I'll do is give you a bit of a synopsis now of what was in there. So we had things like the front bumper, the rear bumper, which were all injection molded, so there's like real OEM quality. As well in there was all the bracketry that you'd need, all the grills, spoilers, splitters, and the newer exhaust tips. Really impressive to actually see the quality of this kit. This in total came to around £3,500, which I think is absolutely fantastic when you think it's front bumper, rear bumper, tailgate. You've got the lights in there as well, so that's headlights, all your side lights, indicators, your rear tail lights with that light bar. Really impressed with this kit. I wasn't sure when I ordered it what to actually expect ordering it from Alibaba, but I must say at this stage I am really impressed, and I can't wait to actually get it fitted to the car, see what the fitment's like. Looking at what we've got here, I'm actually quite confident we're going to have no problems whatsoever. But let's get stuck into the next boxes. Right, so going off the other packaging, anything with this T-Gary sellotape, there's been lighting or something to do with the lighting system, so I suspect this could be the light bar that will go across the tailgate at the back. Let's see. And it is. Well, this looks cool. Very cool. Look at that. So the metal badges that I pulled out before, they'll basically sit on here, the Porsche sign, and yeah, this is essentially will effectively go across the full length of the back, which is what you've got on the newest Porsches now. You've got the full light bar across the back of the tailgate. Now just to show you a comparison of what we've got currently on the car, I can spin round and show you it now. So as you see here, this generation of Cayenne, you've just got your standard tail lights. So that we've got there will be straight across there and connecting to either of the tail lights. Nothing that I actually needed to do on the back of this car. There's no damage as such to the back of this car, but for wow factor and to do the job right, if I'm going to do essentially a conversion to the newest version of the Porsche on this Cayenne, from the outside you've got to do the back, you can't just do the front, in my opinion. So this is going to be massive. My only concern is the either side of the tailgate. It does hump out a little bit differently on the newer version, so there's a bit of a piece, like a moulding piece, that needs to be put on. So my only concern is how we're going to fit that onto the car. Other than that, all the parts should be kind of like bolt off, bolt on parts. But yeah, this is massive. This really excites me, seeing this light bar. And to tell you the truth, it looks, even in this selfie, I don't want to take this off until I'm fitting it to the car, but it just looks insane how cool those are. Oh yeah, yeah. This was the right decision to make, definitely. And the rest of the stuff in here is basically all the connections. So this will be to retrofit that into the original lighting system on the car. All very good to see. And let's make sure this is boxed up correctly. They do not want to be damaging this. Don't know what it is, but lights for me are, I'd say after probably sort of your wheels, lights are such a big thing on cars. And like a big thing for me with when I had the RX-7 was doing the tail lights on that with the LEDs. It just, what a massive improvement it gives that back end. And yeah, this excites me. Okay, so we've seen the tail lights. Now, this is the upgraded headlights. And this, to be fair guys, this you can put on your standard Porsche Cayenne of this era, 09, 85. You can literally just replace this straight up and obviously give you that modernised look of the Porsche facelift lighting system. Looks obviously really good. And yeah, another thing, be massive for the car, massive for the front end, just yeah, modernise it so much. And again, in terms of quality, it does, yeah, it's not got push badges or anything like that, but looks awesome. Like there's nothing here that at the minute to me would worry me in terms of like build quality. So again, I'd just say really impressed with that. Now again, let's get them in before anything happens. Now I'm going to assume these are front wings. So this will be the first body panel that I'm going to actually inspect. It'll be interesting to see the quality. I'm assuming that these are fiberglass. Now, that has surprised me. It's a full-on metal alley panel, so really impressed with that. So not only have they impressed me with the standard on the lights, but I mean these, that's really good. I was not expecting that, so that says a lot, to be fair. And again, just really impressive that I was expecting all this sort of stuff to end up coming and being fiberglass panels, but really, really good to see that it's all proper alley panels. I'm assuming that's just a bolt on to allow for proper fitment for your wings. So again, just a extra bit of thought that's gone in there, and just all looks really good. Got all your fixings, so it should be nice and easy. Very impressed. Coming in that base coat of black as well. Obviously the car's black, back and things like that basically can go straight on the car. Obviously the wing could be painted to give it the proper finish, but all your stuff that's going underneath it, it wouldn't be painted from factory in the external colour. So really nice to see it coming like that, looks really good. Okay, so we've got, didn't write it on actually, did I? So we've got headlights, tail lights, we've got wings, we've got what I think is the rear bumper in there. I don't, as I say, want to fully take that out. And we've got some other light bits and odd bits and bobs in there, fixings and what have you. So in here, I'm assuming it's the tailgate, but there's got to be another bumper piece, unless both bumpers are in there, which they could be, to be fair. Let's have a look. So in this box, it was actually the bonnet as well as a tailgate. I wasn't going to attempt to try and get this out at this current stage. As you can see, we were really tight in the garage. But again, it was alley and steel panels. Really impressed with the quality of this stuff and the way it's been packaged as well. It was a big gamble to actually purchase this kit. Obviously coming all the way from China, not knowing what to expect with quality and stuff like that. But this has given me massive amounts of confidence from what I've seen. Okay, so that is the complete unboxing of the Porsche facelift kit, and it's basically a full conversion from what I've got now, 2015 model, which is a 985 plus 2, and then this will take it to the basically the current model of the Porsche Cayenne with the Turbo S front end as well. So you've got like the meaner looking front grille. In terms of the rear, it's going to be sort of a Cayenne S style still, very similar to as it stands now. It's the tailgate, which is a massive change from this model to the newest, with the light bar across the back there. And what I'll do, I've not actually seen in here the little humps that go over the back, but they are basically, I believe, with the light setup, because it is different, it just smooths this out maybe, but I think it is essential to put that on. We'll see when we get round to it. It's probably going to be the last thing we do. I think initially we'll focus on the front end, get all the front end built up, and then we'll work on the back end here. And hopefully as well, with doing this, even though there were extra costs to getting this back end done, and it didn't necessarily need to be done, I should be able to recoup quite a bit of them costs back, because there's nothing wrong with the tail lights, nothing wrong with the tailgate itself, and again, nothing wrong really with the bumpers. A few marks in there, but again, they're all things that hopefully I'll be able to sort of move on to someone who's maybe doing another crash damage car but got damage at the back, and that'll then give me the funds back essentially for that extra cost that I've spent on this kit. So in terms of the kit itself, the kit I thought was really reasonable. It's come in delivered about £3,500, which when you think you've got full tailgate, rear bumper, front bumper setup, you've got all the lights as well included in that. That to me is outstanding. Really good. You look at kits, if you purchase them from the UK, and even without lights, which lights cost a lot of money, as I unfortunately know when buying incorrect ones, to get a full conversion kit for that price is phenomenal, and I have been really impressed with the quality that it's looking like this kit has come in. Obviously the proof will be in the pudding, so when we do actually fit these bits up, that's where we'll see whether it is what it looks to be, and also with the lights and stuff like that. Touch wood, we shouldn't have any issues with those, they should be plug and play. But yeah, I think it's going to be a really good project. This really excited for it. We've already kind of jumped in and done a lot of interior upgrades with the suede headlining, and then obviously the sports multifunction seats in there as well. I have had a bit of an issue with the seats. The front ones came from Spain, and they've obviously been sat out in the sun for a long time, so the leather is really tough. So I do want to try and see if there's anything I can do to sort of bring that back. And also there is a split in the seat base of the driver's seat, which is going to really annoy me. So when it is on the road, I'll see if there's someone out there that can repair it. If anyone knows anyone in the Northwest that's really good at leather seat repairs, if you could let me know in the comments, I'd really appreciate that. There is the chrono clock that I've now got as well, and that looks to be plug and play, so I've brought a adapter cable as well. There is some soldering to do, so it's not quite plug and play, but it seems easy enough to do. So that, again, give it a bit of an enhanced look. And I've managed to get as well the actual clock, the chrono clock, from the hybrid version of the Cayenne, so it'll match with all the dials with that like acid green look. So yeah, really excited. And yeah, well, the SL sold as well now, so big news on the SL, so even more reason to push forward with the Cayenne. And I'll be driving the MX-5 for a little while until it gets to this point, and then we'll move into this, and then hopefully we'll be able to move on the MX-5, and then that should free some funds up for the next project. Okay guys, so I'm just finishing up editing this video. It's actually just clocked over to Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to everyone watching, and I hope you all get a chance to have a nice break. Thank you very much as well for all the support on the channel. It's my first year of YouTubing, so to speak, and next year what we'll be hoping to do is hit that 1,000 subscribers mark. I'd really appreciate it if you've not done already, if you could hit that subscribe and smash that like button for me. I really look forward to being able to put some more content out next year, and the main one will be getting this Porsche finished, getting it back on the road and showing you guys the transformation. We're hopefully going to be a couple of months away from that. In real time, I'm a little bit ahead, so there will be some videos dropping on the weekly now for the Porsche, and hopefully by the time I've got it on the road, I'll be up to date with my videos on here. But I just really want to say thank you very much for all you guys for watching and supporting. I wish you all the best for this Christmas period, and I'll see you guys in the new year on the next video.